In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your signature in Outlook 365. We want to open up Outlook and click on File right here in the top left corner. And then we're going to navigate to Account Information. And then from Accounts, click on Signature, the fourth option. And then here is where you create or edit signature. Press on Add Signature, and here where you can add a signature name, and I'm gonna call it My Signature. And here in this space we can actually write the message that we want. So after you have done this, you can click on Save, and then this should be saved, as you can see right here, and we have added a new signature. If you want to modify the same signature, you can click on the pen and do your modification, and then click on Save. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.